Ever feel like you think in pictures? You might be a visual spatial learner. It means you're awesome at remembering faces, navigating spaces, or perhaps packing a car like a Tetris master. Maybe you even see furniture arrangements in your mind before you move a single couch. That's your visual spatial intelligence shining through. Famous visual spatial thinkers like Albert Einstein literally saw the world differently. Einstein imagined riding a wave of light, and bam, along comes the theory of relativity. Nikola Tesla built entire machines in his head, testing them for flaws before building them in real life. Talk about a brain workout. And note that sometimes visual spatial thinkers have a tough time explaining those awesome pictures in their heads. That's why they might doodle or build prototype models just to get their point across. The good news is that the world is catching up. We finally realize that visual spatial intelligence is a superpower and not a weird quirk. Plus, with awesome tools like 3D printers and virtual reality, visual spatial learners can bring their ideas to life easier than ever. So ask yourself, am I a visual spatial superstar? And then embrace it. Unleash your inner genius, and who knows, you might just change the world. To learn more, go to the Tools for Teens platform, where you will find a fun visual spatial quiz to see how you score in visual spatial intelligence. We'll see you there.